Let's eat. How I've missed you, Mendocoro. The best. Are you DTF? I am. Say hi! Arms up! Hi! Arms up! Arms up! Okay! Yan! Wow! Kamari! Hi! Tell them don't! Let me show you. Banana pudding with you. Let's taste this.
It's the biggest egg.
Okay, that's why you partnered with Masha.
Yay! We're done with reading! And now you're gonna receive...
Stay here.
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
We're senior alumni. So we're now here at NU. And we just went sa senior high school building. Then we went sa field. Then we went sa... Saan? Sa may swimming pool. We went everywhere. Sobrang init. Now we're here sa CAF. Yay! And everyone was so nice. They remember us. NU tour.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Like this.
years old. Hi, we're in EK. Hello, Julia. We're in EK. Hi guys. Hello, Diyos ko po. Ako iiwan. Diyos ko po. Excited na. Hoy! First ride of the day. Hi guys. Hi guys. Kakatapos lang namin sa Anchors OA. Nag-no-reaction challenge kami. Hindi namin na-vlog kasi syempre wala cellphone. Pero grabe, nasa dulo kami. Hindi naman siya nakakatakot. Hindi naman siya nakakatakot. Basic. Ano lang, para lang akong iniwan sa ere. Iniwan ko naman talaga sa ere. Wow, palangin. Si lakas ang pandinig nito.
Ano na, nanginginig na doon. Dito pa kaya nga eh.
Doon tayo sa chill. Woo! Nakakadalawang rides na kami. Oh, ang saya! Hi!
Guys, alam niyo ba? Huwag niyong bigyan ng lisensya si Jury.
La, sinadya ko talaga kayo banggain. Like, ganun ko. Ganun.
Si Julia nag-stuck dun sa gitna.
Yeah. Masarap.
Thank you!
Game. Tada! Enchanted Kingdom! This is me after air race. Umikot mundo ko. Gulo ng buhok ko dahil sa air race.
Pero 107.
Ayaw ma-zoom out. Ayan. Lunch.
How do you zoom? Oh, it's the same thing. Bawal na mag-zoom out kapag na-zoom mo. Hi guys.
Hi guys, lunch done.
Dessert naman.
Dessert time. Kakasakay lang naman dyan kanina before lunch sa air race. Para kaming in-air race sa mundo. Yes! Yes!
Portrait nga, Jury.
Kamusta naman guys ang view?
Ay, ano yun? Rio Grande.
Ayun o. Kita mo?
Wow! Kamusta guys?
Yung maaano sa waterfall.
Hala, ayoko pala sa love jump. Bakit? Nababaso.
Hindi yan, sa likod ka.
Pinakalikod mo.
Okay.
Kamusta guys? Mag-confess kayo. Dali, confess kunwari. Go!
I'm gonna confess, guys. I am... Okay. Ay, gano'n pala.
Wala na ako.
Okay.
Give me some beat.
High touch. Sino na yung laro na Roblox?
Okay, itsura ni ate bumaba ka na raw. Guys, si Julia kanina nag-overreact.
Grabe kulay rainbow sa paningin ko.
Seryoso? Hindi nga. Kamalik na kami dun sa picture.
Video.
We're on the top of a glacier.
Hi guys, I'm taking over of the vlog kasi nakapila sila there and I can't. I'm just waiting here.
Ano yan? Hindi ka na nakausad. Okay. Life update.
Hong Kong guys.
We're in Hong Kong.
Diba last April galing kaming Bali? Now we're in Hong Kong.
Yes. Hong Kong Disneyland. Kakatapos lang namin mag-log jam. How was it?
Basic?
Sila, super funny nila.
Alam mo, ano, tawag dito, yung photos doon sa jam, kami nakangiti, tapos silang dalawa nakanganga. Pareha silang nakanganga.
Ayun na, mag-Rio Grande na kami.
Napilit namin si Edsel.
Yes, pilit namin si Edsel. It's a good excuse para makapagpalit na ako. Nagdala ko na ano, ready na ako. Pero sana wag sa akin yung waterfalls.
Sana kay Edsel.
Oo nga. Amen. Tapos nakar mo to yun. Uy. Wag sana. Amen. See you guys.
Wag naman sana, no?
Wag naman sana, no? See you guys after Rio Grande.
This is us before Rio Grande. This is us after Rio Grande.
We're so wet, even our shoes.
This is them after Rio Grande.
Bro, that was fun.
Basang-basa. Basang-basa. Hi guys, freshness check.
Hi guys. Here's ordering churros.
Pagpalitan ko kaya si Julia ng t-shirt ko para na tayo naka-white. Ay, naka-gray pala si Ira. Colorblind ako. Hi guys, this is us waiting for the fireworks. Anong size meron sila?
Regular, large.
Okay?
This is a video.
Doon ko sa flag fest.
Yeah.
Ang video mo ako. Sharon Noa ay
Why is it zoomed in?
At kahit mahal kita mo ay yan.
Ay. Sarap. Diba? You got me right. They're so good.
Shirandawa ay ni... Ah! Ay!
Tumalun ka, tumalun ka. This is how you do it.
Yuck! Yuck!
para sa lahat.
I shouldn't know what I need. Won't you now touch and see? Ang ganda. Love it. Love the effect.
Happy birthday, Judy!
Happy birthday to me.
Ira is there.
She's busy.
Smile, guys!
Remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop and safety restraints have been opened.
Hi!
100 lang tayo. 130 lang.
Pagod na siya. Wee! Hi! Super nice to see. So, how's today?
Kahit lang.
How's today?
Fun.
How's today?
Tayo yung pinakamahula.
How's today? Don't worry. I'll catch you if you fall. Hi guys, this is us after EK. Finally.
Thank you.
Welcome. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. How was it, guys? Give me a beat. Happy birthday to you. It was fun. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for watching.
If mag-e-edit siya.
Uy, edit ko talaga to.
Anyway, sama mo nga yung part na yun. Yung sinabi ni Julia.
Na?
Mag-e-edit siya.
If mag-e-edit siya.
Talago. Bye guys. Uy, hindi tayo nag-picture dito.
How the hell am I supposed to see?